Hey there, outdoor fans! You're watching 5 Best Products, and today we're going to show you some of the best outdoor survival knives on Amazon. We made this list based on research, popularity, our own opinion, and much more. For pricing and more information on these knives, feel free to check out the links in the video description. And lastly, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to our channel so that you never miss a daily product video from us. The first knife that we're going to show you guys today, coming in at our number 5 spot, we've got the Gerber StrongArm fixed blade knife. The next knife that we've got for you guys today, coming in at our number 4 spot, we've got the Morakniv Bushcraft Carbon Steel Survival Knife. And coming in next at number 3 on our list, we've got the BlizeTec 5-in-1 Survival Knife. Next up at number 2 on our list, we've got the Mossy Oak Fixed Blade Survival Knife. And last but not least, at number 1 on our list, we've got the Smith & Wesson Extreme Ops Folding Knife. Alright, outdoor fans, so now that we're at the end of the video, let us know in the comments section which outdoor survival knife you think you would like the best out of these 5. In addition, don't forget to subscribe to our channel if you aren't already, and check out the next slide for related videos that you just might be interested in. Or check out our videos page to see hundreds more videos that are just like this one.